diagram house. So when you walk in, like this will kind of be like the living room, and then that can kind of be like the kitchen. As soon as you walk in, since we go like straight back.
So you had an idea of taking this wall down?
Mm-hmm. And just like opening this up.
Leave this wall, because it'd be a room, right?
Yeah.
But take this wall down?
Mm-hmm.
Small.
Yeah. And then like when you walk in here, this right here. This is kind of like a dining room. Kind of like on the picture you see with the tables, you know, got the whole little setup right here. And on this picture right here, you see how it's like exposed brick. I was kind of thinking that we can kind of do something like that with this. Kind of leave it here, but like, I don't know, make it kind of look more modern with a little. The things around it. Yeah.
So this would be, that would be the living room, this would be the kitchen. Now, we wanted to try to get 3 bedrooms in here, trying to think of how we want the bedrooms.
Well, you already got it.
They all side by side, right? It's trying not.
This right here. Separate right here, the door, maybe the corner right there. And the other one right here, they got it.
Was trying to put it to where the primary bedroom was not beside the other 2. You see what I'm saying? So, I don't know, if that's the living room, if that could be the kitchen, or maybe that's too wide for the kitchen, I don't know. Maybe that's weird. That could be a room, that could be a room, and back here could be a room. Or is that kind of weird?
Another room?
Yeah, what 3 rooms?
Yeah, well, you got 1, 2, the one, there we go.
Yeah, but I don't want them side by side. I don't want the big room
Yeah.
side by those 2. What do you have your stomach?
Yeah.
Speak up.
What?
I feel like we'll need to have the bedrooms like spaced out.
Where is this right here?
So we want to do 2 bathrooms and a little laundry area. That's it.
Yeah, well, you need to have it on the door, you gonna leave it at the door right
Oh, back here. Well, if this is a bedroom, this can't be a door. So
What up?
the biggest thing is where your bedroom's gonna be, because then we can know where the door would go.
¿Trabajaste 5 días esta semana?
Where would you want 'em?
My bedroom.
Ahí está el cheque de ella que
Right
mandé.
there. Got the main one right here.
Ahí está Eric.
And then probably put one right there. And then
No, because it's still side by side. How would you do it, Hilaria? Where would you put the bedrooms?
You want it, there's no way, because you have to have another, in case you wanna leave the door right there and close right here.
Yeah, we can.
Okay, with,
So this would be a bedroom with the bathroom. Mm-hmm. And then that would be a bathroom.
so see how the bedroom they will come into right here.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the kitchen, well, because you open this one right here.
Right, it'll all be together.
Okay.
So the bedroom be in the back, this is the kitchen and the living room, and then you can come through here, I guess, almost like a hallway.
yeah.
And then it
No,
can be
that will be too small.
too small.
Yeah, 1 room.
2
Oh,
rooms.
yeah, we
2
can
rooms.
use, yeah, because you will use that one for room too, right?
Mm-hmm. So hallway, and then room right here, room right here, a bathroom and laundry room. What you think?
Well, you can have it in laundry room and the one in the bathroom because you the laundry you need to have it in.
That's right. What am I thinking? We gotta be able to get to it. So,
You got a competition.
what's the competition?
The engineer,
Yeah. So he's right. You can't,
you can put a laundry right here with the master room.
say, you know?
You can have it in laundry and the master room, you know, because you have bathroom in this room. And the laundry you can have it there with it, the same.
Right.
I mean, you can have it there, room right there, and leaving the laundry maybe right here, open right here, close right here, and using this one for laundry.
Right. So,
Because then you open right here.
okay, so this will still be closed off as the master bedroom, the primary? Okay,
No,
cool.
no, no, no.
Yeah, so that's the thing, is we have to be able to get to it over there.
You need to have it laundry.
Maybe we can have the laundry room, just a little area, like how we got the other house in the corner, just right here.
That would be nice.
Just in the corner.
You know, the stack.
Yeah, like a second, like how we have the other house. Just create a little space. What you think? So keeping the primary back here,
Yeah, just putting the stack.
and just creating a little space for a stackable. Just, you know, kinda like how we did the other house, cause we just need a little space.
Okay.
So primary, bathroom. Cause if we have a second bathroom right there, everybody gotta be able to get to the bathroom. I don't want them to walk to the room to go to the bathroom.
That's what I say, you can have it, the room right here in the bathroom on the side.
Have the, you said bedroom right here?
I mean, you can have a room right here in the bathroom on the side, and room right there in the bathroom on the side, you don't have it for the other room.
Right, so for your guests, how would they get to the second bathroom? Cause they gotta be able to get to the second bathroom. Unless we put it in the middle, like we, so we can put, now here's what we can do. Put the bathroom in the middle,
Yeah, that way.
yeah, put the relocate the bathroom to the middle, in between both rooms.
Yeah. A master room right here. And laundry right here.
So all of this is the kitchen and the living room?
Oh, it's still.
No, I still need 3 bedrooms, so this will still be a bedroom, all this will be the primary. But I need to make use of this space. What would you do?